Hello there, my name is and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm bringing you another very important cryptocurrency update and wanted to update you on something super special as well. Something that you, I think, guys and girls and my YouTube fans and YouTube family are gonna find very, very motivational. So before we jump into that super juicy stuff I wanted to announce in this YouTube video and tell you about, let's quickly talk about the Bitcoin chart. And I'm currently on my way to a very important meeting, something I'm going to tell you about shortly. So make sure to watch this video from the beginning till the end, as always. And if you're new to the channel, please smash up that like button and also hit that subscribe button and also the notification bell so that you're always notified when I make a new upload. This is, guys and girls, this is super, super important. And thank you very much for your support in advance. And, you know, always there, Mr. Spot On, for you on duty, wherever I am, whatever it is that I am doing. So let's move to trading view right here, and let's take a look at what's going on with Bitcoin. And we already know that we are breaking down right here. Unfortunately, the level did not hold this this diagonal level right there. So currently our potential target is going to be this support right here in this area, so basically at around $35,000, and I'm still sticking around my previous prediction, saying that I'm not really gonna bet on Bitcoin going lower than $35,000. So that being said, I also wanted to remind you guys and girls that currently the most important week for us, and what is going to define what is going to happen in this area, is going to be Nasdaq's behavior this week, because we have so many earnings reports coming in. And for example, Tesla yesterday, and for example yesterday's drop also correlates very well with Nasdaq. And for example, Tesla dropped 12% because of Elon Musk acquiring Twitter. So that's how the investors reacted to this news. And so basically, as I've also mentioned in the previous video, and if you haven't seen it, then please go back and watch it right now. A lot of super important information and the huge outlook into what's to come in the crypto world in the near future, and the potential for another bull run in Bitcoin. So that's very important, something you have to check out as well. And by the way, a link to my trading competition, or a free online trading competition with a $50,000 prize pool, is still down in the description of this video and in the pinned comments. So participate. The more people there are, the bigger the prize pool. So basically right now, of course, we are very correlated with Nasdaq. So Bitcoin is very correlated with Nasdaq. And right now, as I showed you in the previous video, that there isn't really very much of accumulation currently. The accumulation is cooling down from the big whales and the small fish as well. So we don't really have huge legs, to be honest, to actually jump ahead in the immediate short term. And especially because right now the earnings season and all the earning reports this week, that's going to bring a lot of volatility to Nasdaq and all high risk assets, and Bitcoin is going to be the first in line to have a lot of volatility. So for that reason, be very smart and stay very cautious, because currently we are at the mercy of Fed and Nasdaq and quantitative tightening because of inflation and Fed fighting inflation. So be very careful, and I'm personally stepping back for a little bit right now. But if you want to be trading actively and taking some of the interesting trades, and we also had a very interesting long trade in this area from 34,300 that I've taken, and as I mentioned yesterday, that I would close it around 40,200 250. That's where I closed it. So if you guys made some profits, make some noise down in the comments for Mr. Spot On, and thank you very much in advance for all your support as always. And I'm very happy always to see so many people making profits together with me. And remember to join my Telegram channel down in the description of this video, so that you're always alerted when the market is on the move, because it's oftentimes a lot easier for me to post on in Telegram than on YouTube. So it's always a lot faster. So yeah, join my Telegram channel. All the links down in the description of the video. So, and obviously, besides the volatility itself, and besides us being at the mercy of the earnings reports currently, and the dollar index is very likely to still climb a little bit. So my prediction right now is that we're gonna see some volatility in this area and really not really do that very much at all. So this is something that we could go down, maybe retest this 35K and then bounce around. So this is something that is very possible in this immediate short-term perspective, something that I'm expecting, and I'm not really looking out to join some kind of a huge long trade unless we're gonna have some kind of a catalyst event that's gonna really show us huge, warm up in the accumulation trends and other on-chain metrics, which of course I'm gonna all update you all on all of that. Now, what I wanted to mention in this video is, why is it called dreams coming true? And that's the thing, this is a very honest video, and that's for that reason, you guys and girls love me so much that I'm super transparent. I'm telling you about, I have to fix this right here. So I'm actually telling you exactly what I'm doing, what kind of businesses am I running, and how much money I'm making from these businesses, etc. And where do I live? And currently we are in the traffic jam on Sheikh Zayed Road, right there on the way to downtown, and as always damn traffic. So the thing is that there's been a long-lived dream for me, and that's why I'm saying that this is going to be a huge motivation for you guys and girls and anyone who is in the world of trading in general and is just starting as a trader, or who is my student at tomscrollo.com at my certified and accredited trading learning programs. Check it out at tomscrollo.com, by the way, and also the links down in the description. And that it's always been my dream, because I've been a trader for like 80 years now, and I've been both an active high-risk trader like day trading and swing trading and scalp trading, and also a long-term investor. So obviously we all know that long-term investing is, to be honest, much simpler. It's a lot smaller return, of course, but it's a lot simpler than active trading. Active trading is a very, very tough thing to do in general as a business, and that's why you need proper education. Well, even in long-term investing. So the thing is that I've always dreamt of becoming an asset manager, right? And actually creating my own hedge fund and launching my own hedge fund. And guess what? Yes, we finally are launching my own hedge fund, which is simply incredible. It is the best time of my life, and where I'm going right now is actually a meeting with investors. And I have literally, and this sounds crazy, I cannot believe it, at the age of 27 I'm actually saying this, but we have, from the back of Rolls-Royce, it's crazy, that we have millions of dollars lined up already for my hedge fund. And the guys I'm going to see right now are locals in Dubai, and they are extremely wealthy, and I've known them for a while, and I'm really hoping that from today's meeting I can come back with a few $1 million extra in investments. Again, we're not accepting investments right this moment, but everything is ready, and once everything launches and the website of the fund is going to launch, then I'm gonna let you guys know, so you can also check it out. And I'm just telling you this because dreams come true, and if you believe in yourself and you work really hard, and I've been working super hard for, like, I would say 80 years, 10 years, actually more than 10 years. And this is something that I've come to. I've always dreamt of having my own hedge fund and managing assets for other people. And of course, it's going to be like a very closed hedge fund with 100 investors. So minimum check is $50,000. And so it's not like, small money with small checks, nothing. It's big checks. And some of the investors have, one person is over $1 million. So, and some are $50,000. So minimum check is $50,000. So this is something we're starting, and guys and girls, and my hand hurts. Absolutely incredible time of my life. And the thing is that everything that I've ever done was to actually end up where I am today. So I started with active trading. I've built my own capital so that I have some kind of a track record. Of course, active trading track record of futures or commodities or crypto is irrelevant here, because a fund is going to be a 5-year, 10-year. So, and it's not about active trading. So we're not going to be doing swing trading or day trading. I mean, funds normally don't do that. So it's going to be long-term investing and dollar cost averaging and hedging and regular hedge fund stuff. So it's going to be a long-term investing kind of a thing. So that's why my track record of active trading doesn't really matter, but what matters is my long-term investing track record, and I've done a fair share of that as well, and I've done really well. So if with active trading I've had some dark times and also some very good times, with in long-term investing and into crypto or any portfolio building, there hasn't been a single time I've lost money. Sometimes I had to sit on my investments for quite a while, just like Warren Buffett, but I've never had to, actually accept a loss on any of my investments. That's quite crazy, but that's just the way of long-term investing when you understand what you're doing. So yeah, and it's been a long journey. It's been a long path of building my own passive income sources like trading education, tomscrollo.com, executivemargin.ae, bestinvesting.tips, Scrollo Trading Show, and a bunch of other stuff that is behind the scenes and that you guys and girls don't really know about, because there is no reason for me to disclose it online. But I've decided to disclose the fund, that I'm finally becoming a hedge fund owner and a hedge fund manager. So yeah, and it's going to be a crypto fund. So it's going to be, we're going to be managing crypto. So, and basically incredible time. And I also have a partner, a very strong guy from the world of fintech, who's going to be my CFO. And yeah, just crazy times. We really wanted to share this positivity, this incredible energy with you that hopefully we're gonna raise. This is my best hopes right now, and that's what I'm working on. We're raising capital right now, that we're gonna be starting with $100 million. So this is my dream. We already have a lot of money, backing us, but it's not 100 mil, of course, yet. But this is gonna be my ultimate goal right now, and hopefully after today's meeting, we're gonna get close to that number. Maybe, I don't know. We'll see what happens, because Dubai is a crazy place, baby, and anything is possible here. So wish me best of luck, and I'm wishing you best of luck. Always work hard, believe in yourself that you can actually achieve anything you want. You can be anyone you want. The same thing like building your body. You can be sexy and attractive without steroids. You don't need to become a criminal to make good money. It starts slow. You have to find your passion. Like if you're a trader, work on it bit by bit. Build your actual trading history. So build some kind of a portfolio, and then become popular on social media and launch your own fund. And that's a way to $1 billion, ladies and gentlemen. Right, thank you very much for watching, and make some noise down in the comments. Follow me on Twitter and join my Telegram channel, and don't forget that if you want to be trading actively with Bybit, then there is a link down in the description of this video or in the pinned comment, which will give you a $4,100 bonus on top of your initial deposit. As always, peace and love. Time scroll. Stay smart, stay rich, and I'm after some money. I'm ready. All right, I'll see you all later. Bye bye.